In the previous video we had the phone, this is the phone there, charging from the DC jack. So we can see that here. We turn on the charger and it's sourcing power. There it is, it's sourcing power, and when it stops the phone is no longer back powers this board. Alright, so we pull the DC jack, we don't need that anymore. Now the challenge in this video is we have a USB C power plug, and plug it into here. But when we plug it into here, we're now powering up this board, and then we've powered up this board. So now put this 20 volts goes into here, 20 volts, powers up this board. However, we're not charging the phone. Phone is off, not charging. I have to press the reset button, and then it will now start charging the phone. Now that is the problem we're going to solve. Why do I need to press the reset button? Doing that again, hold that plug, I'll get back in. Same problem. I have to press the reset button. As soon as I press the reset button, it works. There it is. And it's charging at 1.5 amps, 1.6 amps. This is the problem we're going to solve. The issue has been fixed. It was to do with over voltage protection. This shows how it works. So you plug in the USB C power cable, phone starts charging. Good. Disconnect. Let's try again. Good. Disconnect this. Plug in again. Cool. This is what I did. Then you go to here, over voltage protection, turn that off, and after that it works. Finally, this board does work with USB-C to all the devices, like micro USB. However, you will only be charging at 0.5 amps. You will not be charging at QC2 speeds because it doesn't support QC2, but it does support the V-bus being output at 5 volts. Turn off power, turn on power again. There we go, that's good. And here it is working with a Samsung phone. Here it is working with a power bank. It's now charging the power bank. Turn off power. Because this one's configured to be only a sync, it will not draw power and not turn on the CCG4. And plugging in again. Sorry, this was only a source. Only outputs power, does not take power. Which is why I can charge power banks, phones, and everything else.